Yo guys, behind me right here, I have a bunch of front lips. So about half a year ago, I was in the market for a new front lip for my BMW 335 IS E92. But I was always seeing those just like super small lips, or like they didn't really have much going on, just the ones on eBay. And I fell in love with the GT4 lip, but I saw that the only way you could get that was you either had to have a M rep bumper or you just had to have a M3. So I decided to change that. I contacted a manufacturer, I got to work, made a one-of-one sample for the GT4 lip to fit on an LCI M-Sport bumper. And after months of sample production, we finally got the first good sample. I was really adamant about getting good fitment, and after another few months of production and waiting for it to arrive, we finally got the first batch. So yeah, I have all these lips now, but what am I gonna do with them? I need to market it and prepare for my first drop. If you guys do end up liking this type of content, leave a like and comment below. Let me know if you want to see more. And yeah guys, let's get to it. We just got here to his house. We're about to take off his lip right now and wash our cars real quick and then put on the new lip. Here's the lip right now though. This is like your basic lip that you can get online. There's only like 3 options out right now really for the E92 and E93. As you can see, the fitment's not like as smooth and it's not really as aggressive of a lip. So we're gonna take this off, wash cars, and then put on the new lip. These 2 lips are really the only option out there right now. And you guys can tell the quality. This one's just a flimsy little plastic. Just straight up hollow plastic. You can see it's cracking right there. It's just straight up plastic. We're about to just put the lip on right now because we got it on jacks and everything. It's definitely a 2-man job, but we got it on. I would recommend, if you can, take off your bumper if you're doing it alone. Yeah. But we did it the 335 way. We're about to take off the jacks and see the final fitment of how it looks. What do you think, Sunside?
I think it's gonna look good.
The first ever customer of this lip. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh, it's bad.
It's aired all the way up.
Yeah, it's aired up all the way right now. Oh my gosh.
It just needs the lighting now.
I know, the shadows get into it. Look at the difference.
Tight.
Let's go. And what do you say like about the installation that was easier about it? Like the holes or something, right?
It has its own holes for it. And then most lips doesn't have the hole for this to put the bolts in, but it's right here, and it there's a lot. It's gonna be secure. It's gonna be really secure.
Look at the difference. There's no like holes anywhere around here.
And then plus, like, it has its own like dip in, like,
yeah.
To be more secure. Like, damn, fuck you, bro. You cooked with this one.
Yes, perfect.
Peace. All right, let's go wash cars.
Both on.
I'm excited.
Now let's wash it and get it ready. And we're gonna go to a nice spot so we can really see how it looks. This looks insane. We just finished up washing cars and now we really see like how good this actually looks. It's insane.
It's hard to say what sets pulses racing the most, the performance or the looks.
This looks insane. We just pulled up to this parking lot because like golden hour, perfect. We got some really nice shots. I think you guys saw it, but we're about to go to a meet in Greenville hosted by Salvation. So we're about to head there and check out the meet too. Leaving the meet right now, guys, and yeah, that's where we're gonna end it today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just a calm little video today, putting on the lip and everything. And yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this content, let me know down below if you like it and if you want to see more like this. But yeah, peace out, guys.